Hey everyone, good morning. Today we are going to look at how we can install VLC in our MacBook. So first, open your terminal. I am happen to using iPhone, but you can open terminal by opening the quick launch and then hitting terminal, and you will get the terminal. So once you are in terminal, you use your tool to install VLC. Now you can search for VLC first, and you'll be able to see that the VLC is under view casks. Give it a time. Yeah. For me, it's already installed, but it's actually inside cask. So if you want to install in cask, so there you have to pass on the switch as cask, and then if you type VLC, it will actually install the VLC for you. So I hope that helps you. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. Thank you.